rhyming words have the same sound, especially the vowel sound. Especially the vowel sound. So if I'm trying to say cat and I'm trying to find a rhyming word for cat, I'll have to look for the same vowel sound and say hat. Can I say hut? No. Cat and hut, do they rhyme? No. Because they have different vowel sounds. Okay, that's one thing. Second, does the spelling always have to be same? No. Spelling does not have to be same. So that's number one. Number two, spelling does not have to be same. Not have to be the same. For example, kite, light. I'm thinking kite is K-I-T-E. Rhyming sound. Raise your hands please, thank you. Right, R-I-G-H-T. They sound the same? Yes. But do they have the same spelling? No. This is magic E-I and this is I-G-H-T. Thumbs up if you guys are getting this. Yes. Alright, so we have a lovely poem here. We're going to quickly read this and we're going to see what the rhyming words are and how do we find rhyming words in a poem. Okay. I do, then we do, and then you. A bird said to squirrel one day, "You are a fool to hide those nuts away." Now when I am reading this, I am understanding, I can see there are two words that have the same, that are rhyming. For me that is day and away. So one clue to find rhyming words is to look at the end of the sentence. You will always find, in a poem, you will always find the rhyming words at the end of the sentence. Let's try and read it again. A bird said to squirrel one day, "You are a fool to hide those nuts away." So day and away are rhyming words. Can you all show me how rhyming words look? That's the sign for rhyming. "My friend," said Mr. Squirrel, the cold winds soon will blow. Nuts will be hidden deep under snow." Can you raise your hands if you can find the rhyming words in these sentences? And where do we look for, Sunny? Where do we look for the rhyming word? Tushar? In the end of sentence. In the end of the sentence. Awesome. So can you tell me which two are rhyming? Blow and snow. Blow and snow. Awesome. Okay. Can you turn and talk to your partner and discuss the same way the rhyming words in the last two sentences, please? The same way in the last two sentences. What are we doing? We're discussing the last two sentences. What are the two rhyming words? I see one group's already finished. Are we all done? Yes. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to Didi. Thank you. Can you tell me the two rhyming words in the last two sentences? Which pair? I saw two hands go up. Can I have Sachin Jangit give me the answer? Sorry? So where did you look for the rhyming words? At the end of the sentence. Did you all get the same words? Yes! Today and play. Rohit Bose, do you think they rhyme? Today and play. Do they have the same vowel sound? No? Yes. What vowel sound in today? Who wants to tell me what the vowel sound in today is? Nida. Oh. Right, like today. Okay, let's just take what is rhyming. Is in play and today. What is rhyming? Which part is rhyming? Ashna and Om. A, play. So which part of it? I'm thinking A is the rhyming part. You agree with me? Can you see why I'm saying it's rhyming? Like today, A, play, A. Can you see which part is rhyming? Yes. The last part. Thank you, Pratish. Did we all get that?
Yes.
Okay, reading quickly. I'm going to give you some words to practice rhyming. The first 2 words you can turn and talk to your partner and practice. And the next 3 words is you do. Okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3, eyes on the whiteboard.
1, 2, eyes on the whiteboard.
The first one. Thumbs up if you're ready for this.
Yes.
Completely.
Yes.
Alright? This is turn and talk to your partner. Hang on, let me finish everything. Then you guys can try and do this on your own. Can you look at this one second? Alright, turn and talk to your partner and give me 2 words, 2 rhyming words. For the first one and for the second one. Wow, I already see 4 pairs ready. I already see 4 pairs ready. Can you guys see the words? Saraswati. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to Didi. Awesome. I saw that pair raise the hands first. Can we have Nimit and Nikita share? Sorry, Nimit and Prince share. Sorry. Awesome. We have wait. Okay, can you give me the spelling? L T E. So this is magic E, right?
Yes.
Late, wait. Does that rhyme, guys?
Yes.
Did you got the long A sound? Okay. Who's going to tell me the next one? Which other pair? Which other pair? Quick, somebody. Yes, Ashna? Thank you for listening to Ashna. Can you say that loudly? Wind, hill. Does that rhyme?
Yes.
Can you give me the spelling?